Many of you out there watching this, you've made a total huge commitment to your health. What's it mean to be committed? Making the decision to start taking care of your health and chiropractic care. That's not going to change things. That's great intent, and I appreciate the intent. Or paying the money to take care of you and your entire family, that's great intent, but still, the money is not going to correct that spine and your health. The thing we have to watch out for, we have to be focused on these next 3 areas. The number one thing we're going to start with is your adjustments. Yeah, your adjustments. We say 3 times a week in the beginning. That's what you're probably doing right now, but that's the minimum. Really, it can be done daily in the beginning just to get you out of that crisis phase. But 3 is the most realistic, and studies show that. And if you miss one adjustment, are you moving towards healthy posture, or are you moving away from healthy posture? I mean, you're moving away. We cannot break that sequence, especially in the beginning, until you're stabilized. The number 2 thing we're going to look at is your home rehab. Listen, you have to do your home rehab. I mean, the adjustments unlock the spine, and it's removing the subluxation or nerve pressure. But now your home rehab, that's what's actually molding the ligaments, the muscles, the tendons, and it's helping you hold that adjustment a lot longer. And that's absolutely necessary to be doing daily, twice a day, in order to get the results that you want. So don't think of it as rehab or exercise. You got to anchor to something. Number 1, when I'm doing the cervical exercise units at home, I know I'm opening up the nervous system in that cervical curve. I know the messages from my brain are flowing through the body like a fire hose. My thyroid and my metabolism is optimizing. I can breathe better. My heart is functioning better. That's what you anchor to. More energy, breathing better, all these things. That's what I do it for. I'm not just laying on this home exercise unit at home. It's actually changing my life. The third thing you need to look at is, what are you doing during the day? Just because you're getting adjusted, it doesn't mean you're automatically immune, to the universal forces of gravity. We're going under gravity every single day. So what are you doing now? I mean, we have phones, people are texting on, you're looking down, you're on the computer, you're sleeping on couches, you have to be more conscious of your environment. So what are you doing daily is actually a microtrauma. If you're a mom, when you're carrying your child, let's say, a 30-pound kid, on your right hip all day long, we're doing things against gravity, and those postural issues are going against what we're trying to do as well. So please be conscious. I'm not telling you not to live and do the things that you love to do, but your healthy habits outside of the office just support number 1 and number 2 that we talked about. So that's why you cannot miss an adjustment and you cannot miss the home rehab, because we want to be able to get the correction we need in the best, most efficient amount of time, so we can enjoy life and doing all the things that you love to do the best way that you can.